996. Well, I do like that I'm the only 928 here. Is that shark blue or Miami blue? Let's find out. Is it Miami or shark?
Miami. Shark's gonna be a little darker.
That's what I thought.
It's gonna be more. You see that beamer over there?
Yeah.
That's more the shark. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Beautiful.
Thank you.
And a sweet 914. Really big turnout. I love that green.
I've never owned a Porsche. I've had all kinds of cool cars in my life. Everything from fast cars to four-wheel drive trucks.
Now, I am pretty certain this is the same car, kind of car, that James Dean was killed in.
That's why they make monsters of the 550. You can have a 550 edition monster.
I never realized this was a mid-engine. I thought it was a rear engine.
No, it's mid-engine. Trust me, when you drive it, you know. It's perfect. It's awesome.
I've never seen one like in person. So.
But the thing is awesome. I love the thing.
Yeah, I love
I
it.
almost bought the thing. I bought a 928 Porsche in Connecticut. And the guy, he had a thing.
That was
this
mine.
for, yeah. I had a 79.
That's yours?
Yeah.
I haven't seen
Yeah, I
one
love
ever,
you
man.
do it. I had a 928 79 Euro spec with the
nice.
velour
Oh,
interior.
very
I
cool.
drove it 14 hours from Connecticut with my son. Best GT from the 70s ever or 80s.
I agree. I totally
And
agree.
I had a lot of cars from the 70s. All kind of cars from the
Right,
70s.
right.
And that thing is like, for the money, who works on yours though?
I just got connected with a group of guys, 928 guys here, and
It's very hard to find good 928.
yeah, and I don't remember the guy's name. Fortunately, I haven't had to call him yet. So
Yeah, mine had a little. I had a guy who was totally messed up, and then my engineer, my English engineer, was 77. His wife was dying when I had the 928, so I spent like $8,000 on stupid stuff. Yeah, and I was like,
Well-
you know, my guy he does it for fun. First of all, he's retired. I mean, he worked on my linkage this morning. He put my little linkage on my one of two Matra French mid-engine car yesterday.
Right.
He loves it. So.
now, is this the car that James Dean died in?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
Oh God, I love
That's
it.
not a good picture of the car, but
And you have your kids.
yeah. And
So-
then
So I've got a picture of my son.
that little one right there, that is so cool.
He's 6'2". He was 6 months old when he went to run Atlanta first time in my Super Performance Cobra.
Oh wow.
And he called it the crazy car. I did for like years. He called it. He fell asleep in the car. And I mean, 427, loud as crap, smelly.
What kind of car was it?
The Super Performance Cobra.
Oh yeah.
I had a Factory 5.
You did? Okay, yeah.
Wow.
So I studied the whole
Not
thing.
even close to Super
I
Performance.
know.
That's-
This
it's
is
the
why I
best
bought
one.
the Super Performance because
Yeah.
it was
South African made, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And that's what Shelby was like. These guys are doing a great job. So he did the same thing and called it CSX 4000.
That's right. That's right.
Sold them for 100 grand more.
My name's Sam Bean.
Yeah, Gabrielle.
Hey, Gabrielle.
What is your name?
Paul.
Gabrielle.
Hey, Paul. Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
Hey, Mike.
Nice to
Sam.
Well,
Good to see
this
you.
is the most fun I've had in a car in so long. And then the
Got
guy
one
who
out there.
owned
It's a
it,
928.
French engineer, and look what he did.
I like those.
I've
worked on quite a few of those, but I haven't seen them in a while. So.
Yeah, well, you don't see them often. They're usually sitting on blocks in someone's garage.
He make me one.
They machined all those?
There's a Dakar 911. There. Wow. Over there.
Straight.
911. I'm not sure. Dakar.
I don't think I could put these.
Yeah, 911 Dakar.
Good enough for me, right? Definitely want to hit some dirt road. I'll have to talk to you.
Is this yours?
Yeah, just got it a little while ago.
it-
30 days in.
It's not dirty.
I know. I know. I was right in the middle of out of town project. I'm now back in Atlanta to enjoy this now.
Very
So,
cool.
even though I've had it for 30 days, I've really had it for.
That's not
18.
That's not chalk. What is the?
So this is only for the Dakar at the moment. They might open it for the Taycan, but this is shade green metallic,
Okay. Okay.
which is not that metallic.
It's
which
not
I'm
really.
cool with because
Yeah.
my adventuring green is really metallic.
Gotcha.
And I kind of wanted a more matte style.
Very
for this
cool.
One, so
Very cool.
I'm good with it. Yeah.
I'm Sam.
Spain.
Hey, Spain.
Pleasure.
Nice to meet you. That's awesome.
Yeah, man, it's pretty fun. Having a good time with it so far. I've got a few very backcountry Twiggs County dirt ovals that I used to hit in the 90s.
Oh, cool.
My granddad's F100s. I want to go see what they're up to.
Yeah, I was just out in Moab, Utah.
Dang.
Camping in canyons and just I had an FJ Cruiser, which was awesome. I slept in it. It was great.
Boy,
I was
that,
totally off the grid. It was great.
that is unreal.
How many of these did they make?
In the world, 2,500. North America, according to my guy, probably about 700.
Is that all?
So that leaves about 500 to the actual states.
Right.
So you got some states that'll get one or two.
Right.
Wyoming, and then you got Cali that will get 30 or
Yeah,
40 or
of
50.
course, of course.
And then you got Georgia. They're saying about 7. We know of about 3 or 4 right now. There's a surgeon in Atlanta who's got one. Lee Keene. very popular Porsche driver. He's got one.
Gotcha.
Me and a random person, we don't know who it is in Doorville, who was pictured.
Very
So
cool.
we know there's 4 in Georgia.
So is it full-time four-wheel drive?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, these are 19s and the back are 20s.
That's very sweet. It'll be fun discovering what it can do.
So I did discover.
Okay.
I went to the Dakar experience at Atlanta that they threw in when I bought it.
Oh, really?
And he goes, see that Cayenne truck over there that goes 90 degrees? Hit it. And we hit that, and I saw the sky in this thing.
You feel like it's coming off.
I thought we were going to go backwards. Man, it was butter. It went right up.
That's amazing.
And it made me feel a little more trustworthy of what this can actually do. It blew my mind. It was crazy.
I love having something special. You're just not going to see them. You're just
I don't
not.
see many of these in Georgia.
When I saw it come in, I thought, no, just somebody just retro that. I mean, no, that's the real deal.
What the guy said at the front who let me in. He goes, I like what you did. And I was like,
I didn't do it.
thanks.
No, Porsche did that. Great tag, too.
Thanks, man.
Very nice. Good to meet you.
Pleasure.
We got a Cybertruck. That thing is way bigger in person than I thought it would be.
You've ever been in one?
No.
Yeah, man, they're nice.
I see a lot for sale.
Yeah. He seems like he likes stuff like that. Yeah. I'm trying to get these. All right, I got him, man. The Cybertruck to pull up on there real quick. Can I back you up? And then once he gets on there, I can pull you back in. Oh, you all right? Yeah.
Oh. Good save. Wow.
Yeah, that was good right there.
Well, now all the BMWs are rolling in.
Grab the white one.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's been pretty good.
Much bigger than what I
It is huge. Yeah, you go and open the doors.
Yeah, do you talk to the door to open?
No,
no,
press
just
it.
the thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh boy, now they're going to try to park him. Guess this is the BMW and Corvette area. Got my buddy Tripp's C8 Corvette.
Alright, so I have my sunglasses on. So in the sunglasses, this looks like a super great
really amazing to me how my 928 looks so small compared to a 911. It looks tiny. Alright, that's a cool. Put this on that hood. That has to be a paint to sample. .928 still looks okay compared to these newer cars. Okay, the fun cars are rolling in. Love Matt LaMarche's tag. Lamborghini Aventador. All right, it's time for a beer.